cancer of the uterus is in my family. I cannot leave this earth and my boys behind in life. I needed affordable care to maintain health and vitality. Planned Parenthood makes that possible with caring, trusted, and professional care. My boyfriend of 4 years ended up cheating on me after I gave him everything. The people at Planned Parenthood were so kind, and I was so scared. He was a good Christian guy and always said bad things about Planned Parenthood. But they saved me, and I'll be forever grateful. They tested me for STDs, and they didn't ask invasive questions, and comforted me when I was crying the whole time. They do more good for the world than all the good Christian boys combined. They provide exams, STD testing, and birth control to me based on my income. I'm unemployed at the moment, and without Planned Parenthood, I don't know what I would do right now. All the staff is very helpful, knowledgeable, and friendly. I am very thankful for them and the services they offer. Thank you. I am not judged for my decision to not have children. I am comfortable coming here versus a regular physician or OBGYN. I am given options to control my future and make my own decisions about my lifestyle choices. I need to have a pap smear as part of preventative health care. I don't have health insurance or regular physician since I am currently unemployed. I am grateful that I can have this medical test at Planned Parenthood. I stand with Planned Parenthood. I am a woman. And they have services that have prevented me from ever needing to make a decision about abortion. I have been receiving services for 20 years at the same Planned Parenthood. I am thankful that I was able to come here and be empowered about my reproductive rights. I currently have no children and am in a safe relationship for 6 years. I love that they ask questions about safety aside from sex. I have a master's degree and am so glad that I never got pregnant with a child from my earliest relationship as it was abusive. Keep women's health affordable and available. Thanks. Kansas does some things right. I got pregnant when I was 18. I didn't have a good relationship with my parents, and my boyfriend was very controlling. Planned Parenthood was the only place I could turn. I was so scared, lonely, and I knew I was not strong enough emotionally to carry a child. It was the hardest thing I have ever had to do, but I know I made the best decision for the child's possibility at a good life and for myself. Planned Parenthood was there when I had no one else, and I am forever grateful. Planned Parenthood services are important to me because lack of insurance is not a barrier. There are affordable services. It is easy to get an appointment, and it is a great resource for young women. Planned Parenthood services are important to me because it allows my daughter to have an affordable gynecological care and to have access to birth control to keep her from becoming a statistic. Planned Parenthood is much more than about choice. It's about health. Planned Parenthood has helped me since I was around 15 years old with immense pain during my cycle and regulation. Before their services, I didn't think I had other options, and that being in pain was the only way to be a woman. As I grew older, they became essential in family planning. For many reasons, my husband and I have chosen not to have children, and we wouldn't be able to live the lives we want to without the help and support of Planned Parenthood and their staff. For when I was a young woman, to the present, Planned Parenthood has helped me become a healthy and happy person. Their support has been very important in my life. Planned Parenthood helped me discover that I have mild hypothyroidism. I then went to the general practitioner and was diagnosed and treated. Without Planned Parenthood, birth control pill services, I do not know what I would do. I have been using this service for years because of their professionalism and low-cost health care. My job, where I make $8 an hour, offers health insurance, but there is no way I can afford it. When the Planned Parenthood in Lawrence, Kansas closed for good, I had to take time off of work to go to the Overland Park location. I am very grateful for their services. I am a 29-year-old woman who does not want children. It worries me that the government is trying to take away your services from people who desperately need and use them all the time. I have 3 teenage daughters that are the most important people in my life. I have a son too. Although the reason Planned Parenthood services are so important for my daughters is the fact that my insurance does not cover birth control for my children. Planned Parenthood protects my girls so they can make good choices about their reproductive health and have the opportunity to attend college and to pursue a career before starting a family or becoming a burden to society. I have a genetic disorder. Pregnancy could be physically crippling permanently. Planned Parenthood provides affordable, safe services and has been integral to maintaining my health. As an American woman, I have the right to decide when and if to have a family. My career is everything to me, and I wouldn't be a chef today if I couldn't have access to proper family planning, health care, and vital information that every modern woman needs. Planned Parenthood is here for my daughter to get affordable birth control, to give her a chance in life to live, and be able to have children when she's ready. I value Planned Parenthood to the fullest and am grateful they are here to help. Thank you. Sarah was great with my blood. She got the vein the first time with no problems, which is very uncommon. Mary Jo was great also, as always, and everyone was very gentle and informative. I do not have the option to get health insurance through my employer. Ensuring I get annual exams gives me great peace of mind I would not have had otherwise. I am thankful for affordable services Planned Parenthood offers for women like me. They make it affordable and accessible to get checkups to maintain good sexual health. My job currently offers insurance to full-time employees only, so these checkups are very expensive at other doctors. Thank you, Planned Parenthood. A young lady came to me and asked, "Would you take me to Planned Parenthood?" Her child was only 4 months, and I happily said yes. Thank you for being there. It allows young women, actually it allows all women, to have an affordable place to get checked and keep health intact. I am so grateful to have this. As a full-time college student, I cannot afford full-price birth control. Their sliding scale has given me the opportunity to protect myself and be responsible while focusing on my collegiate career. A thankful young woman. It's the only way I can afford women's health care. I'm a divorced single mother, and birth control is essential to be able to finish my education and be better able to provide for my child. Behind every number is a human face. Behind every spreadsheet is a mother, a daughter, a family who might have gone without treatment for a disease or would have experienced an unplanned pregnancy if it hadn't been for the doctors and nurses of Planned Parenthood in their community. Planned Parenthood patients across the country have written in to share their stories about how their lives have been changed, sometimes even saved, by a visit to a Planned Parenthood health center. 1 in 5 women in the United States has received care from Planned Parenthood at some time in her life. These are the stories of those women. The state-by-state review of a selection of those personal stories reveals just how deeply Planned Parenthood's work touches people from every walk of life. These are real stories submitted online by real patients in their own words. As a testament to the essential role Planned Parenthood plays in the health of this nation, here is a sampling of what over 100 Missourians have to say in their own words about the role that Planned Parenthood has played in their lives.
I would like to inspire my fellow Missourian.
I yield the mic.
Thank you.